The next one is the preparation of dioxazine. It is prepared by heating potassium chlorate in the presence of manganese dioxide as a catalyst. There is a formation of potassium chloride and oxygen. If the decomposition of metallic oxide takes place, like mercuric oxide, it gives mercury and oxygen. Silver oxide, it will give silver and oxygen. Pb3O4 is known by the name of red lead. It on decomposition gives lead oxide and oxygen. Similarly, MnO2, it gives Mn3O4 and oxygen. If the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide takes place, it will give water and oxygen. On large scale, it is manufactured from the liquid air. There is a large difference in the boiling and freezing point of nitrogen and oxygen. So, the oxygen can be obtained by the liquefaction of air. Then it can be manufactured from water. The water is electrolyzed and we obtain hydrogen and oxygen, which can be used on a large scale. If we look at the physical properties of oxygen, this is colorless, odorless, tasteless gas. It is slightly soluble in water. It liquefies at 90 Kelvin and freezes at 55 Kelvin. It has three isotopes: 1608, 1708, 1808. Now, one very important property which is mostly asked in competitions, that although it contains even number of electrons, but it is paramagnetic in nature. If we look at its action on litmus, it is neutral in nature. It is a strong oxidizing agent. It can react with metals, non-metals and compounds, except noble metals like gold and platinum. If it reacts with calcium, there will be formation of calcium oxide. If it will react with aluminium, there will be formation of aluminium oxide. With a non-metal carbon, carbon dioxide. With methane, it will give carbon dioxide and water. Similarly, some of the catalytic oxidation, it is also used for that. Sulfur dioxide reacts with oxygen in the presence of vanadium pentaoxide to give SO3. This reaction is used in the manufacturing of sulfuric acid. Similarly, if the oxidation of HCl takes place in the presence of CuCl2, which acts as a catalyst, there will be formation of chlorine and water. You go through notes. If there is any problem, let me know. Learn all these reactions very thoroughly.